Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious coffee mousse using your mixer grinder. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need instant coffee, granulated sugar, hot water, and heavy cream. Make sure your mixer grinder is clean and ready. Also, prepare a separate chilled bowl. This will be essential for whipping the cream to perfection later on. Getting everything ready beforehand makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's create our rich coffee base. In your mixer grinder jar, combine 2 tablespoons of instant coffee powder with 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Next, carefully add 2 tablespoons of hot water to this mixture. Secure the lid and blend these ingredients on high speed for about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll see it transform into a light, airy, and frothy coffee concentrate, which is the heart of our mousse. With our coffee base ready, it's time to prepare the cream. Pour 1 cup of very cold, heavy cream into your pre-chilled bowl. Attach the whisking blade to your mixer grinder and whip the cream on medium to high speed. Continue whipping until soft peaks begin to form, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Remember, stop just as soft peaks appear to avoid over-whipping, which can result in a grainy texture. Finally, let's bring it all together. Gently add the whipped coffee mixture into your prepared whipped cream. Using a spatula, carefully fold the coffee into the cream. Mix until the 2 components are just combined and the mousse has a uniform, light brown color. Avoid overmixing to maintain the airy texture. Transfer the mousse to serving glasses and chill for at least 30 minutes before enjoying this delightful, homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.